Chinese movies, Japanese movies, slasher movies.
He was growing up in America where there's a million channels and you can flick through and gut inspire or gut influence. That's very natural phenomenon.
Most of the filmmakers were sort of opportunists. They would see something and say, oh, we can copy that and do that.
What he understood about Hong Kong cinema was its populist base.
It's an exercise in mise en scène. It's a directorial imagination. Tarantino, he really loves those films.
I believe that it's time for women to kick ass.
Dirty idol.